Hey guys, what's up? I've got some exciting news for anyone looking to shed a few pounds quickly. Today, we're diving into a game-changing 7-day plan that could help you lose 5 pounds in just 1 week. I know it sounds ambitious, but stick with me, and I'll show you how it's possible with the right approach. Start your day with a power-packed breakfast. Think oatmeal loaded with berries, or a green smoothie with spinach, banana, and a scoop of protein powder. For lunch, you'll want to load up on veggies and lean protein. A big salad with grilled chicken or tofu is perfect. Dinner doesn't have to be complicated. Aim for a plate that's half veggies, quarter lean protein, and quarter complex carbs. Something like grilled fish with roasted vegetables and quinoa works great. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day can help curb cravings and boost your metabolism. Aim for 30 minutes of cardio each day. This could be a brisk walk, a jog, or even a dance session in your living room. Try to squeeze in some strength training too. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges are great for building muscle. And don't overlook sleep. Getting 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night is crucial for weight loss. Remember, this is a jumpstart plan. The key to long-term success is finding a sustainable lifestyle that works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more weekly content on health and wellness.